Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is the latest attraction to open at Disney's Hollywood Studios and takes center stage inside the park's replica of Grauman's Chinese Theater using the space formerly occupied by the Great Movie Ride. This trackless dark ride is the first Mickey Mouse themed ride to debut at any Disney theme park and features stylized animation made popular in the Mickey Mouse short cartoons which aired between 2013 and 2022. At the beginning of the ride, guests are invited to watch the premiere of Mickey's new cartoon, and it's here that guests are introduced to the ride's absolute earworm of a theme song called Nothing Can Stop Us Now.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Hi, Goofy.
Well, you were ready for a picnic.
While heading out for their picnic, Mickey and Minnie encounter Goofy driving the Run-Amuck Railway. But a quick picnic basket mishap causes Goofy to crash, tearing a large hole in the movie screen. To make up for ruining the show, Goofy offers to take you on a ride in his train, and with the help of a cast member, you step through the movie screen and enter Mickey's cartoon world. After boarding your train, Goofy begins his tour, taking you through the wonderful world of Mickey Mouse.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mickey and Minnie. The park's there with me. What could possibly go wrong?
But then Mickey accidentally runs into a track switch, disconnecting your passenger cars from Goofy's locomotive. And this careless mistake sends you on a whirlwind ride through several different environments where you encounter some of your favorite Disney characters.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are!
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Safe at last, you're reunited with Goofy, who is none the wiser about the chaos that just ensued.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me.
Before rejoining Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto, who have made it to their picnic, and send you off with a final reprise of the ride's theme.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so finally made it. We've had one crazy ride. Love with you by my side. The stars will be our guide. Nothing can stop us now.
After disembarking the ride, you pass back through the movie screen and return to the real world. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is a cute and colorful adventure which will entertain riders of all ages, and as an added bonus, it also includes more hidden Mickeys than any other Disney ride, so nothing should stop you from enjoying multiple rides on this new modern Disney classic attraction.